Hello viewers, for DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a review on this magnetic rechargeable LED work light made by OEMTools from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this light will be included in the description below. As you can see, we have the typical green and black color scheme which is found throughout the OEMTools brand. It has somewhat of a rubberized exterior finish, it's easy to keep clean, and provides a non-slip surface. The light also comes with a basic instructional manual and USB charging cable. One switch both operates the torch light at the top, so this can be used as a traditional flashlight, as well as a light bar to illuminate the area you are working. One click, the torch turns on, a second click, the torch turns off, and the light bar turns on, and then a third click turns off the light. The base includes a strong magnet to attach it to any ferrous metal. The base can also be pivoted 180 degrees and firmly locks into place. On the rear of the light also includes two other strong magnets which can be easily attached to the side of a body panel, in a trunk, under a hood, or wherever else the most convenient spot is. Now if you have an aluminum hood on the other hand, or any non-ferrous surface, OEMTools has that covered as well. This light also features two 360-degree swivel hooks that can easily attach to an object, and when not in use, they fold back into the light's body for a smooth exterior finish. On the rear of the light is also a charging port which is protected with a rubber boot to prevent any contamination from foreign debris. The 7 LED torch light is rated at 20 lumens with 20 hours of runtime, and the work light is a 3-watt COB LED with 210 lumen rating and 3 hours of runtime. Oddly enough, I have been using this light for quite a few projects, definitely over the 3-hour time limit, and haven't had any charge required yet. This light takes up to 4 hours to charge and comes in at only 0.7 pounds. Even when it's quite dark outside, you can see this light provides plenty of illumination for the task at hand. This is an all-around great light for any task requiring lighting, such as auto repairs, working around the house, a flashlight to keep in your vehicle, camping, industrial work, farming. The applications are really endless. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experience in the comments below to help out fellow viewers. New videos are uploaded every week. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.